What's up, guys? You'll know where we're at. We're getting the paint. We're picking up the painted Lotus parts. I already saw them. They look amazing, 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 amazing. Let's go ahead and run into the shop real quick and I'll show you guys the front clam. I actually already have the access panels, EXIGE hinge covers, and the interior pieces, but let me go find it. Look what we found. Yeah, look right here. It's just this part right here.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I should take it or if I should have him fix it. I can't really buff that off. It's in the paint. Yeah, I'm gonna go ask him.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think? I mean, everything else was filled in, so it looks really good. Yeah. And that was a scratch there, and that was filled in too. But I don't know if it just didn't take as well.
Okay. I do see what you're saying there.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what that is.
Yeah. I don't know if it's a run.
That might be
It didn't bother me too much, but you can see it.
What did he say it was?
He says it was the filler didn't. It sunk. Like the filler sunk in a little bit, so he'll fix it.
I knew that. I didn't want to say it.
Yeah, it's really hard to tell. I mean, if you
can see it from this angle.
Yeah, it's where the light's hitting it. Because if you just walk by, you're like, but if it does hit that at the angle, and I think it's because it's black too.
Yeah.
All right, man.
The shrunk back.
Yeah, you don't heat it up, do you? Just over time?
It got baked. That's it.
Oh, the paint got baked?
We didn't bake this because this is fiberglass.
Yeah.
So we're not allowed to bake this.
Catch on fire.
It'll bubble.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The fiberglass does. That's crazy.
So just say it look nice now.
Yeah.
And you'll drive off a couple of weeks, months, it'll start popping bubbles everywhere.
The fiberglass does. Because you do metal, right? You bake the metal.
Yeah, you bake the metal.
Yeah.
Fiberglass.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. They say fiberglass is easier to work on, or no? I think it's It's hard. Yeah.
I don't think so, because metal, it's already formed.
Yeah.
This you have to shape it yourself.
Yeah. And it's all by eye, and if it doesn't matter, this is already formed.
Yeah.
Exactly. All right, man. I'll be back. Thanks. Okay, so we're going to be taking, these are going to be the hinge covers from the EXIGE. We'll install these, so we'll continue. We'll do that tonight. We'll do that on the videos tonight. I'll show you all the parts that did get painted. This looks amazing. That's the center console. This is for sale. I'm gonna put this up on MITCHDORE.COMHOW. This is awesome. I can't wait to put that up there. I'm gonna run my leather one, but that one looks amazing. All black like that. How cool is that? So let's go ahead and boom, back in the garage with the Lotus. The Lotus Elise, EXIGE Elise. Look at this thing. Got a nice day. It's warm outside and we're in the garage. It's gonna be fun time. Boom, there's all that good stuff. Look at that. So those are all freshly painted on here. They're on my moving mat. I don't want to get them scratched or anything, but they look perfect. So excited. I even got this painted. This is the little part on the back of the center console. Here are the EXIGE access panels. So EXIGE, and then an EXIGE front clam. The clam's not done. I also got this center console painted, which it came out really good. As you guys know, I won't be using this, but I wanted to get it painted because I think, look at this paint though. And that is so good. Look at the paint. That is awesome. And it matches perfectly. If you guys want to let's take that real quick here. So here's the center console. Look at that, and then look at the match. That is so good. It's spot on, really spot on. Clayton, you're the man. But that being said, I didn't want to keep this one. I'm going to put it up for sale. It already is. It's on MITCHDORE.com if you want it. Also, this is for sale. This is because we deleted or we reinstalled the OEM one. So this is the license plate holder, really nice. And then also a tow hook boomerang, all for sale from the Elise. But we're going to be using that leather center console. So that's why we're not using that. Otherwise, I would have rocked that. That would have looked really good. What we're going to do now is we're going to install the Lotus EXIGE hinge covers right over this. So we're gonna put it right over there. I already cleaned up all this, is all ready. We're gonna put the EXIGE, they're wide, we're gonna install those. So let's go ahead and grab those. I believe there's 3 or 4 bolts that hold them into place, and we will install those and see if we can get a good fit. That'll be my first part, and then the next thing we will be is installing the clam when the clam is all done. You guys you guys saw that there was a little bit of a blemish on there, and so I wanted him to fix that. So I'll have Clayton fix that little blemish. That was actually where that clam had that scratch on there. So I think that the, what's it called? The filler didn't sit all the way, and when he painted it, it made a little crease there. Very small. I think you can really notice it because it's black too. But he'll fix it for me and make it look brand new, and then we'll drive back there and install the EXIGE front clam in one video, which will be nice. So it's cool that we picked up the parts, some of them, everything except for that front clam. And so let's go ahead and install the EXIGE access panels, or hinge covers. This will be the first thing that we install. Oh my gosh. This Lotus just got so wide. You guys, you won't believe this. That thing pokes so much more. That is unreal. That is unreal, the difference. Oh, it perfect. Okay, I spent about 10 minutes trying to get it aligned right, and I was able to get it aligned right. So if you guys look right here, let's do the door real quick. We'll do it slow. Look at that. Milla, like, oh, it's so close, but it doesn't touch. One of the things that I noticed is that, let's see if it just closes. No touching. I think it will be closer tight fit here when I get the top of this mounted with the clam. I actually did get this all filled in. This looks awesome. I love this. How did Clayton do? Pretty weak on that one. We'll see how well that holds up. I do know that there's another mounting point here and a mounting point there, but wow, does that look so insane. Look at that with the grill. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. It's like I went wide-bodied on the Lotus. That is perfect because this thing is turboed. I love it. Okay, so this is the EXIGE. It's so much better. It has the grill, and then here is the Elise. So, you know, look at the difference. Look at this. Look at the difference here. Wow. It has the grill, and then it has like this more square corner and really flexes out. Really, look at that. Really, oh my gosh. Look at that thing. That is gonna look so good. Awesome. I got spacers too, just in case. All right, boys, just imagine it now. Oh, look at that. That is so good. It is so freaking wide. That is crazy. Fitment is really good on both sides. So if you ever want to do this, you're gonna have to get the EXIGE hinge covers. Covers this hinge. Here, I'll open the door for you. Let's just make this here. Let's do this. Let's look here. Look at that. No touching, no touching, no touching, no touching. Boom! You will need this. Look at that. So you will need those, the hinge covers. You'll also need the access panels. Greg's Racing Parts does sell carbon fiber ones. So if you guys are wanting carbon fiber ones, I didn't know that. I'm kind of kicking myself. I would have gotten those. I thought that would have been good. But I like the black. It looks really good. I'm so glad I painted this black. That was green. Can you imagine leaving that green? And then we're going to go ahead and jump over here. Look at those. Oh gosh, it's so coming together. This is going to be my favorite car of all time. I'm so excited. Perfect. That's it, guys. So I'm going to wrap up the video here. I'm so excited. I am so happy. This has been like a half a year coming along. So to finally get the parts back from paint and then get some of them reinstalled, the EXIGE, it's really making this car look like it's gonna be really unique. I didn't know how unique it was gonna be. It's gonna be unique. This is gonna be a great build. Make sure to hit the like button. Everyone have a great weekend. I'll be back on the channel probably with some more CELICA content coming. But LOTUS Elise Turbo, oh, the best. Now has EXIGE parts on it. So it's truly gonna be a LOTUS Elise, one of a kind, the LOTUS Elise, LOTUS Elise Turbo. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.